Welcome to the instructional video for Enrichment Financial's personal budget template. This template is perfect for beginners, people who have struggled with budgeting in the past, and anyone who just wants a clear, simple place to finally get organized with their money. On the Getting Started tab, you'll notice a link to the instructional video which you are currently watching. We also have links to connect with us on different social media platforms, including our website, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. These are great places to find additional resources, tips, and other products we have available. When you're ready to get started filling out your budget, simply click the Get Started button and begin. Once you're on the Budget tab, you'll notice that your income and expenses are separated into two different sections. You do have the ability to change each of these sections into whatever you need them to be. So on the income, you'll notice it says income 1 through 4. You do have the ability to change these in case you need to put like paycheck, side hustle, whatever works best for you. So just go ahead and show you an example. We do have categories in here that are kind of just standard categories for like utilities and stuff, but you change them to whatever you need for your lifestyle. And you notice as I scroll through, we have the typical expenses in the category section. So housing, vehicle, food. We gave the option of groceries and dining out, kids. And one note to make here is that if you are not budgeting for kids, we do have a separate template for sale that does not have the kids section in here. We have animals, savings and retirement, which I'll go ahead and change one of these as well, just to kind of show you. The great thing about this is that a lot of budgets don't have the savings and kind of baked in already, where this one does. So normally you'll have income minus expenses, and then whatever's left over you throw into your savings. And this one you're already budgeting for your savings. So ideally, every dollar that you have is going to a purpose. We have credit cards, entertainment. We'll go ahead and change one of these just to kind of show you as well. We like to have entertainment baked in here as well, just because we don't want budgeting to be boring or stifling. We want to make sure that we're still, getting entertained while we're disciplining ourselves. We have personal care and subscription and fees. All right, now let me go ahead and show you how this works, putting numbers in here. So we'll just go ahead and throw in some fictitious numbers. And as I do that, you'll start to see this bar graph here at the top move. The nice thing about this is it'll give you a clear picture as to, are you spending more than you're taking in? So as you begin to fill this out, you'll see everything starts to fluctuate. And it's really nice. It's kind of a quick glimpse into, okay, where do I need to adjust this budget? So as we go down and keep moving down, you'll notice that we have these two lines at the bottom. So this total line right here is your total for all your expenses. So we have the total line for your income here. So we needed a total line to add up all those categories. And your net line right here is the difference between your income and your expenses. So this is basically saying you have $1,700 left to spread in your budget anywhere else you need to. So I'm going to go have some fun with my friends at the movies. We're going to throw in $35 there. Absolutely want to pay myself, throw in $200 there. Need to make sure I'm eating. So we're going to do $500 for the month there. And I want to go out to eat a few times. So we're going to throw in some money there. So as I go through this, you kind of get an example as to how to fill it out and how it works. You do have the option if you want just to do it by month. Or if you're like me, I enjoy doing everything a year at a time, and I can always go through as the year progresses and change the budget as things come up or change. So if I do that, I just throw in my paycheck right here. Again, all fictitious numbers we're looking at, and I'll just kind of drag it across the whole year, and it kind of gives me a picture as to, okay, this is what I'm working with for the year. All right. Now that we've covered the budget tab, we're going to move over to the actuals tab so you can see how that functions. On the actuals tab, you'll notice that it's laid out exactly like your budget tab. You'll see that what we changed on the budget tab has changed on the actuals tab as well. This tab is very simple but powerful. It feeds off of the export tab, which we will go over next. This tab will calculate and organize everything for you from the export tab. You'll notice that this tab also has a bar graph at the top, and as you begin entering your transactions on the Export tab, this will fluctuate, giving you a true picture of your spending and if you're spending more than you're making. Let's move on to the Export tab. Now we are on the export page. As I mentioned on the actuals page, this tab is key to getting the entire workbook to function. Here you will record any and all of your transactions. And you'll notice over here on the left, you have 6 highlighted column headers. A through C highlighted in light red, D through F highlighted in dark red. And on the right here, you have the color key in case you forget what each color means. A through C allows you to copy and paste transactions or simply type them in. The idea around this page was so you can export your transactions from your bank and paste them in here. D through F are drop-downs, which I will show you how to operate in a moment. All right, for the sake of this demo, we have fake data we're going to enter in here. And ideally, these columns are all in your bank statements when you export them. So as I'm pasting the amounts here, you'll notice that there are some with negative signs from the bank statement. Don't worry about that. We have a built-in formula that allows you to, that does all the calculations for you, so you can just simply paste and go. All right, now that I have those pasted in there, we go to our drop downs and we just go one by one and determine, is that an expense? And what category does it fall under? What subcategory does it fall under? And you just go line by line entering the information in there. We'll go ahead and do a paycheck so you can see how the income works as well. And you'll see that this says paycheck because we changed that on the budget tab, and it will change throughout the entire workbook. We'll put vending machine under as food. Dining out. We will put Roth IRA as expense as well because we are paying ourselves. We'll put that under savings and retirement. Roth IRA. And now we will go over to our actuals page. And you'll notice that this has changed from before. So you'll notice it's recorded our income and it's recorded under the month that we put on export tab, as well as our expenses. Our final tab is the dashboard tab. Everything is year to date with the exception of your monthly spending graph, which you see below. The top sections show your 3 main items: income year to date, expense year to date, and savings year to date. In the bottom corner on the left, you have % of budget used. So as you continue filling out your budget, you'll be able to see how much of that budget is being spent. And as I showed you already, you have your monthly spending budget. Next to the monthly spending budget, you have % of income spent on home, gas, and food. This is especially important because these are some of the biggest expenses we have as adults, and it's great to know what % of your income you're spending on them. And finally, on the right, you have top spending year to date. This will give you a quick glance as to what you're spending the most on and let you decide where you might need to cut back and pivot. This concludes the instructional video for the Enrichment Financial Personal Budget Template. I hope this gives you clarity and confidence as you begin organizing your finances. For more products or instructional videos, check us out on our website or social media pages.